In this video, we will show you how to exchange tubes of the R-net to optimize its fit. Find the perfect fit by adjusting the length of the cords such that the clamping block is aligned with the jawbone and that all the electrodes are in close contact with the skin. If this is not possible, you can also exchange the tubes. To exchange a tube, you will need extra silicone tube, a measuring tape, scissors, and a pen. First, untie the knot. Next, press and hold the button on the clamping block that corresponds to the tube you want to replace. Pull out the silicone cord and remove the tube. Reinsert the cord and adjust the fit. Measure the length for the replacement tube. Mark and cut the tube. Slide the replacement tube over the cord. Insert the cord into the clamping block, put the cover on the cord, and tie the knot. With the clamping block, you can adjust all the cords individually to find the perfect fit. If necessary, you can also exchange all three of these highlighted tubes.